Welcome to LearnText.org video tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to install Windows 7 from either using Windows 7 disk, or you can use Windows 7 bootable USB if you don't have one of these. Before we begin, you need to make sure you have backed up your data from the computer, and you will have to restart your computer and enter this BIOS setting, and from here you will have to go to the boot menu and select, I'm not showing the screen properly. Okay, that's better. So from here you will have to select your USB as your first boot priority order if you're using Windows 7 bootable USB. If you're using Windows 7 DVD disk, you'll have to select CD DVD as your first boot priority order. Once you've done that, you'll have to select press F10 and then yes. Enter yes. It will restart the computer. You should see a message saying press any key to boot from CD, DVD, and press enter here. If you're using Windows 7 bootable USB, you shouldn't see a message asking you to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. It will just automatically start loading files. Now here you need to select your language, your country. I'm going to select United Kingdom. You need to select the country for your keyboard as well. I'm going to leave it as United Kingdom. Click next. Now you'll have to click install now. You can click yes, I accept the license terms. I forgot to mention, if you don't have a Windows 7 DVD disk and you don't have Windows 7 bootable USB either, you can learn how to create an ISO image of Windows 7, of course if you have the DVD. Either if you don't have the DVD, you can go online and download the ISO image of Windows 7, and you can also learn on our website how to boot Windows 7 from USB. Now here you can click next. There is two options now. You can either upgrade your Windows 7 or select custom advanced. In our case now we're going to click custom advanced because we're going to do a fresh installation. Now if you want to create or delete partitions, you can do that as well here, but I'm not going to do that because I've got some data in the D drive, which is this one. This is my C drive. Now if you have similar partitions and you see this 100 MB partition, you should format that as well. You have to click here and then format, click your next partition, format, Yes, OK. Click OK. If you have any data in any of your partitions and you don't want to format that, you can leave that. You don't need to format it. Now click on select the partitions you want to install the Windows to, and then click Next. This will start copying Windows file and all installation features, installation update, and welcome back. This is nearly completed. This is going to restart your computer now. Once it's restarted, you probably see the same message if you're using Windows 7 disk, asking you to press any key. Don't press anything here. You only have to do that at the beginning. It's saying setup is updating registry setting. Sorry for the camera, it's adjusting. You probably won't be able to see that message. Now if you bought your Windows 7 disk or copy of, you downloaded it from, you should have a key with that product. If you bought a CD like this one, a DVD disc, then you should have a piece of paper inside in the pack with a key inside on the other side. Or if you don't have the key for the Windows 7 and you just have a trial copy, you should look on your computer and your laptop at the back of your laptop. If your laptop is designed for Windows 7, then it should have a label at the back giving you this key. Now copy that key, write it down, because you'll need this. Now here you'll need to type your username. You can use either your name or anything you like really. I'm going to put home. Click next. You can either type your password now or you can choose your password later. If you don't know how to choose password later, then you can just type your password twice here. Leave the last one. Now once you've entered your password, click next. Here you will need to put your product key. So if you want to do this now, you can do it now, or once you install the window, the installation is completed, you can do it later as well. I'll show you how to do that once it's done. Click next. use recommended setting. Select your time zone and then click next. You can connect to the internet right now, or you can connect later. I'm going to connect now. Type your password and click next. You can skip this if you want by clicking skip. I'm going to click next. Here you can choose your network, whether it's home network, work network or public network. I'm going to click home network. Okay, the installation is completed now. You can now go and activate your Windows 7 by clicking on the start button. Right click on my computer, go to properties, go down. You got 30 days to activate your Windows, so you can click now and activate Windows Online. So you can put your key right here and click next, and that will activate your Windows. You can also visit our website and learn step-by-step instructions how to install Windows 7. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.